Hey, Freyja. Freyja. It's a fairy. Look.
This morning from Bob. Who's Bob? He's my wife in this case. Bob's my mom's neighbor. Current boyfriend of the moment. Okay, here's what I was thinking. I wanted to pick up from Mexico. I wanted to get you tickets to Broadway.
Hey, Freyja. Oh, no. Let's see if you want to come inside. Yeah. What? She just wants to play. Oh, I'm watching Love Happens with Jennifer Aniston. The problem is, Freyja, that it's cold outside. So I need you to come inside to play. These Kinder Surprise toys, as long as she doesn't put it in her mouth, it's okay because, you know, small parts, not good for little kids, but also not good for cats.
I got your book. I'm halfway through it. Well,
Or dogs. Yeah. Oh.
Sorry about your wife. How come you didn't tell me that's what happened?
What is this that you found?
Sounded like you really loved her. Me too. That's really fun.
Yeah, because it was cold outside.
What?
I'm waiting to watch you strut back to your bitch and rig.
Let's see if I throw it over here. If I throw it farther, if she'll go after it. Freyja, get in the house, please. Oh, God.
Okay, we're not dating. We just met. And you know.
What happened? What happened, little girl? Okay.